Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing this super cute cow from Squishmallows. And this drawing is to celebrate spring, but not with this little cow right here. I'm just showing you this one because I have it and it's just so cute and so tiny, right? And the colors is what I'm actually going to color the final drawing. But the star of the show today is actually this guy right here. Well, this girl right here. Her name is, let's see here, Balana. And it's part of the spring Squishmallows spring collection, just like the lamb that I drew earlier. And I just love the colors. It's so soft. All these pastel colors in their spring collection. It's just so beautiful. And so soft, right? And so I really hope you love this cow that's inspired me to draw for spring. And so get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this cute cow, let's first start by drawing the body of the Squishmallow. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve for the top of the head. So it's kind of like your basic dumpling shape that I give to all my Draw So Cute characters, but it's elongated. So bring this down. It's going to get wider to come down, and about right there, I'm just going to start to bring it down. Okay, so let's keep going and drawing pretty big. So I'll start to bring it in. Okay, finally, I'm going to connect it at the bottom with a shallow curve. There, finally all done. So that's your basic shape that you want to draw. And it's okay if yours is a little bit shorter or longer, it really doesn't matter. You just want a little bit thinner at the top. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this cow to life. So towards this area right here, a little bit above the center, I'm going to come about right here in the center and draw a big curve. So this is going to be the snout area of our cow. I'm just drawing this big oval, so right in the center. And I'm going to round it off to draw my oval. And connect. There, now big oval there. Round it off a little bit more and I'll come inside and just draw 2 circles for the nostrils. And then the eyes. So I'm going to come to the side about right here in this area. And draw a big circle. And same thing on the other side. So about right here as well. And so then, now that the eye is in, let's come in here. I'll make them Draw So Cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And same thing on this side. There. So then let's come above each eye. I'm going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And now that I'm looking at my camera, I'm going to make this curve a little bit more above, not slanted. It's making my cow look sad, right? There, hopefully that helps. And then we don't really know it looks like a cow right now unless we add some ears and some horns. So let's do that. And let's come to the top about right here, right above the eye. And I'm going to add these little horns. So just curve, round off the tip and in. So just nice and soft. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Go up round it off and in, right above this eye. And then for the ears, it's come a little bit lower about here. And I'm going to pop out these ears to come out, curve it a little bit, come out, round it off, and bring it right back in. And then for some details inside, you can come right here, just draw a curve and tuck it in. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across. So I'm just approximate. So same thing. Once again, go out and about right there. Take a look at my camera and bring it back in. There. And once again, same thing. Curve and taper in for the ears. And then finally, we need to give this cow some marking so we know for sure it's a cow. So let's come up here and we'll just start with one big patch right here and curve down, and one more down here. And once again, just curve. And of course, I'll add one right here. That's a heart. So now it's my Squishmallow cow, right? And I'll come in here real quickly and shade everything else, all these patches in, so you can see a little bit better. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this drawing of the Squishmallow cow turned out. And let me know in the comments below if you had a choice, which one would you get? The original or the spring collection? It would just be a really hard choice for me because this one is just small and super cute, but this one has just the beautiful colors. So let me know in the comments below. I want to know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.